Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today, ano ang dangerous na panalangin? At mayroon tayong concept na summary of attributes. Ang sabi po dito, summary attributes. God's attributes of perfection, blessedness, beauty, and glory are called summary attributes because they encompasses and evaluate all God's other attributes as undefined whole. His perfection means He lacked nothing and possesses every excellence fully. His blessedness and excellency full. His blessedness show that God is eternally happy and satisfied in Himself. His beauty reveals the harmony of all His perfection shining together, and His glory is the radiant display of all that He is. These attributes highlight God's absolute self-sufficiency, eternal delight in Himself, and supreme worthiness of His being to be loved, worshipped, and enjoyed forever. At may kita po natin ito sa Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 8. Ang sabi po dito, in the year of King Uzziah died, I saw the Lord high and exalted, seated on a throne, and the train his robe filled the temple. Above him were seraphim, each of 6 wings. With no wing they are covered their face. With 2 they are covered their feet, and the 2 they were flying, and they were calling to one another, Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. The whole earth is full of His glory. At the sound of their voice, the door burst, and their sword shook, and the temple filled with smoke. Who we me? I cried, I am ruined, for I am for unclear lips, and I live. At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic po natin for today. Sisimulan ko po sa teaching. First teaching po, the glory of God reveals His holiness. So, yung kapurihan pala ng Panginoon doon, nilabas niya pala yung totoong siya and yung holy na meron sa kanyang puso. Sa second teaching naman natin, the glory of God reveals our sinfulness. So, yung kapurihan pala ng Panginoon, nare-reveal din pala doon yung kasalanan na nagagawa natin and kung gaano tayo kasama. Sa third teaching naman po natin, the glory of God reveals our mission. So, yung kapurihan pala ng Panginoon, nare-reveal din dun yung mga mission natin as His disciples. So, ngayon naman, dadako tayo sa ating application. First application, praise God for Christ's atonement. So, kailangan din pala natin na sobrang papurihan ng ating Panginoon and sa pamagitan nyo ng kanyang nag-iisang anak na si Kristo, and siya yung naging daan upang makilala natin kung sino nga ba si God. At sa second application natin, present yourself to God just as you are. So, hindi mo pala kailangan maging plastic sa harapan ng Panginoon kasi nga, bago ka palang ipanganak, kilala ng Panginoon yung tunay mong pag-uugali. At sa third application natin, pray the most dangerous prayer. So, kailangan mo palang magdasal upang sa ganun, yung pananalangin mo is mawala doon yung dangerous prayer ng ibang tao. At dadako tayo ngayon sa ating discussion. What have you prayed? Lord, here I am, send me. What does it mean to pray that prayer? So, para sa akin, ang ibig sabihin ng panalangin na yun is iniaalay mo ang sarili mo sa Panginoon na hinahayaan mo siyang gamitin yung buhay mo sa paraan na gusto ng Panginoon. At dadako tayo ngayon sa ating alternative question. What have you learned from this devotion? So, natutunan ko po sa devotion po natin ngayon na hindi natin kailangan manalangin ng masama dahil ang Panginoon na kapag tayo yung nanalangin ng masama, sa atin ang balik nun. And how can you practically apply devotion? So, may apply ko po sa sarili ko ang devotion natin ngayon na kailangan pala natin malaman yung glory ng Panginoon upang sa ganun mas malawak nating malaman kung ano yung reason nating mabuhay. So, ayun lamang po for our today's discussion. Thank you for watching.